So I'm sitting there, and then you finally hear the alarm going because they do this siren thing. So all the members come sit down. Thing had just started. So Kakalama, and I think like, who's screaming? Now I'm like awake, like.
Gone.
Yes, I like on a hangover. I'm like looking down, like who's screaming? And then I saw these boys, like they really look like boys who just come off. They were not in military uniform or anything. They were just in shorts and yeah. And he was like screaming, like this is a takeover, like da da da. And Dr. Kristangila said, what's going on? Why? No, like he was like trying to. And that's when he shot the first shot.
Oh, he fired that?
He fired.
Into the air.
Yeah.
Into the ceiling?
Yes. Okay, so...
Now you know it's
now everyone was like, okay, fuck. Like, this is real, eh?